Park it. And wipe the dust off before my meeting.
You should keep those.
Do mechanics here usually refuse simple instructions?
Only the expensive mistakes. Why is everyone staring?
They are waiting to see what you do next. Employees use the service corridor.
Then your tour is already going the wrong way.
Remove him before the owners arrive.
That may take a while. The owner is already here.
You own this factory?
Yes, I do.
Are they buying the factory today?
They are making an offer. That is not the same thing. Grandpa said, this key started everything. Promise you won't sell their jobs.
I promise nobody becomes a number today.
Let us see what kind of buyer she is. The buyer wants 30% cut by Friday. A rumor is not a contract.
Her team skipped the worker meeting twice.
No.
Then today they meet the floor first.
Shut Station 4 down until this coupling is replaced. That delays the demonstration. A delay costs hours. Pride costs hands. Cut labor first, and the board approves today.
I asked for savings, not casualties. Sentiment is why the owner is weak. Or why the factory survived. Who verified these numbers?
The seller's finance office. Mechanics respect confidence.
Competence earns respect. Will you tell her you own the place?
After she shows us who she is. That sounds like a test.
It is a conversation without a title. Park it.
And wipe the dust off before my meeting.
I do not repeat instructions.
Neither do warning labels. Are you assigned to the floor?
Every day that matters. That system should recognize my clearance.
It recognizes permission, not price.
I have a schedule.
So does every person you plan to cut. Station 4 is offline.
My demonstration says otherwise.
Move.
Not until the pressure line is safe.
This was filed as replaced yesterday.
Then somebody signed a false report. It is cosmetic.
Pressure does not care about vocabulary.
Lock the station. Nobody restarts it without a signed inspection.
Good answer.
Why are you still following me?
You are still walking through my responsibility. Do you treat every buyer like an apprentice?
Only the ones holding a wrench backward. You think I came here to destroy this place? I think you came before learning its names.
Yep.
This meeting is for ownership.
Then let us stop pretending it started without me.
Remove him before the owners arrive.
That may take a while. The owner is already here.
You own this factory?
The owner is already here. 51%. The workers own the rest.
Why hide that from me?
Because titles make people polite. Power shows who they are.
And what did I show you?
You saw a uniform and assigned a value.
I made an assumption. I will own it.
We can withdraw and crush their credit.
You can leave this room.
He knew about the false inspection.
You cannot know that.
This was weakened after yesterday's inspection.
Then the delay was manufactured. That key opens more than one door.
It opens what my father refused to digitize.
3 replacement orders were canceled.
All approved from your temporary finance account.
Freeze every payment authorized by the acquisition team.
That includes your director.
I brought him through your gates. Then help me keep him from the machines. They hate me.
They do not know you well enough for that. You really work shifts here.
Ownership without contact becomes imagination.
Feel the vibration here.
It is uneven. I had it.
I know.
The damaged part came from a rejected batch.
Someone put it back into inventory. He wanted the demonstration to fail.
A failed factory sells cheaply.
Open your briefcase.
You are choosing a mechanic over your board.
She is choosing evidence.
Set the case down.
These files never left the records room legally.
Call the auditors.
Your board wanted those layoffs.
My board will hear your recording.
Still want this?
The coffee or the factory?
One can be reheated.
I may need both.
Did the buyer keep her promise?
Did the buyer keep her promise? She has not made one yet.
Then I should start with one I can keep.
She is listening. No worker loses a job to fund this purchase.
Can you write that down?
Your father taught you contracts.
He taught me promises need witnesses.
She is harder to negotiate with than you.
She has better terms.
Worker shares remain protected. Capital goes into the new line.
And your board accepts that?
They will after I show them the fraud.
That may cost you your position.
A position is not a character reference.
No. Choices are.
Do you keep jackets for arrogant buyers? Only the ones who stay late. My father built companies and forgot people inside them.
You are allowed to build differently.
They moved the vote to tonight.
Then we stop preparing and start proving. The camera skips 12 minutes.
The machine controller keeps its own clock. There. A remote restart command for tonight.
During the board demonstration, can the line still run safely?
Manually, if I stay at the panel.
You trust them with the truth.
They own 49% of it.
You can still walk away.
I already walked in badly.
I will leave better.
Your keys.
This time I will carry them myself.
Why is the seller on the floor team?
Because he knows what we almost bought broken.
This part was sabotaged.
And the purchase model was built around its failure.
Unexpected startup at Station 4.
He left a second command.
Round today. Tell me what to do.
Clear the west aisle and kill outside power.
Everyone behind the rail, now!
Keep them there.
Come on. Release.
Which breaker?
Blue handle, second row. Hold it down.
Power is down. Backup pressure is still feeding it.
The pressure is climbing. Nobody crosses this line.
Silas, left side.
Good catch.
One old key. One last job.
Are you hurt?
Only my opinion of remote controls.
That was your father's key.
It protected what he built.
Here's the second command source.
Your cost-saving plan included sabotage.
That accusation needs proof.
The controller, access log, and trigger share one account.
The account belongs to your appointed director.
A failed factory sells cheaply. He explained the motive himself. We can renegotiate after the investigation.
No. This offer is dead. New capital. No forced layoffs. Worker veto on safety.
And your controlling terms?
Removed. Partnership, not possession.
That is a more expensive kind of courage.
Defy us, and you may lose your company.
Then I will know what it was worth. The executive dining room is upstairs.
I finally found the important table. I am sorry about the keys.
I am more interested in what you carried afterward.
Can it be repaired?
Not to open doors. Maybe to remember one.
You promised nobody would get hurt.
You caught me. I owe you an amendment.
I brought the signed version.
Yeah?
Did the workers witness it? Every shift signed.
Your toughest reviewer appears satisfied.
Is this temporary?
It remains while the partnership remains.
Floor rules apply to everyone.
Especially buyers. Certified batch, matching invoice, 2 signatures.
You learn quickly.